Sterling Machinery is proud to offer this 28-inch by 178-inch used Monarch engine lathe. This lathe is a model 1610 and comes complete with a 3-jaw, a 4-jaw, a taper attachment, 3 different steady rests from 6-inch to 10-inch, a follow rest, a micro bed stop, tool post, live center. Of course, it has a coolant system. The best of all, this machine was rebuilt by Monarch in the factory in 1993. This machine has 36 spindle speeds, from 12 to 1500 RPM. It has a D16 spindle nose with a 2 1/8 hole through the spindle. As you can see, the machine is in great running condition and is ready for shipment. It's located in South El Monte, California, on our floor with over 2,000 other machine tools. Here we're running the lathe at 1500 RPM. Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com, the web's premier machinery video site.